Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. We thank God for life, for strength, and good health as we've stepped into 2024. I pray that this year yields so much blessing in your life wherever you are. And finally, Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video, we are going to be preparing grilled tilapia jollof rice. Ingredients for the jollof rice include 3 cups of rice, 2 cups of vegetable oil, 3 red onions, 1 medium pack of tomato paste, green pepper, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 maggi cube, 3 pieces of fresh tilapia, 2 pieces of garlic, my special tilapia seasoning, which you can find in my video relating to the preparation of banku and tilapia on the channel, and is also linked in the link description box below. And our vegetables including cabbage, carrots, green pepper and spring onions. We will also be using a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Let's get started. Wash the pepper and onions in a bowl of water and then place it in your blender with some water and blend it until it's smooth. After that, pour the blended pepper and onions into a bowl and set it aside. Now pour some oil into your saucepan which will be used in cooking the rice, and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Add in the pepper and onion mixture and then rinse off the blender and add it to it. After that, stir everything together and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. After it is cooked, add in the tomato paste and stir it with the pepper, oil and onion mixture until everything is combined evenly. Now add in your spices, which is the curry powder, the nutmeg and then your cube, and then leave it to boil for about 15 minutes or 10 minutes depending on how you want it. Add in a pinch of salt and then introduce into it your water that will be used to cook the rice. You could also adjust the salt if needed. Now let the water that was added to the stew boil for about 5 to 10 minutes at most. When it boils, introduce into it the rice. Give it a stir to prevent it from sticking at the bottom or getting bent when it's cooking. Now leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's halfway cooked, stir it once again. And then cover it up with a napkin for 10 more minutes on a medium-low heat. Let's move on to the making of our salad. Peel, wash and cut the vegetables and slice some onions in addition. Then place everything in a bowl. Add onto it half a tablespoon of salt and some water and then give it a thorough wash. After that, strain the water off the vegetables and then add in the mayonnaise. Give everything a stir and then the salad is ready. Go check out the video to make green sauce on my channel, which is linked in the description box below, and also the video on how to make banku and tilapia, where the tilapia was grilled just as you see in today's video. The only difference is that the tilapia was cut into 2 halves before the grilling process was done. So check out those 2 videos to get the full gist on the whole preparation of tilapia with the grilling method. Let's serve our jollof rice with our grilled tilapia. Scoop some of the jollof rice onto a plate, add onto the side the salad and then the grilled tilapia and also the green sauce on the top, and enjoy this deliciousness with your friends and family. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. Also, I would like to say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. May God see you through this year and also the year ahead. Try this recipe at home with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section how it was. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.